Welcome or welcome back to Trouble with Tish. I am Tish and I be Trouble. And today we're going to be Trouble with a haul. It is a kind of a mishmash haul though. Things I got here and there. So stick around and find out what I got.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget the future and the past.
Alright, like I said, this is a haul. Alright, so it is a haul from a few places. So I went to Walmart and I got a Wet n Wild Mega Last Incognito concealer. It is light honey. So I picked this up on one of my grocery shopping trips. And then I walk a lot and I use an app that pays me to walk. It's called CashWalk. I have it linked below all the time. But it pays me to walk. It pays me in gift cards, and I've gotten quite a few things with these gift cards. I've gotten 2 House Labs foundations. I got the Kosas and the Girl On foundations, and I got the Dior Backstage Face and Body foundation. And I got this in the shade 1.5 Neutral. So we're going to try that out. And then today with gift cards, I got from Ulta the It foundation brush. It's not the one with the heart on it, but I figured I would give it a try. And then I got the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Radiant Shape Tape. I'm sure I said that wrong. Tarte Shape Tape Radiant Concealer in 22N Light Neutral. Figure I'd try that out. And then I made an order from e.l.f. because they said, hey, we got a birthday present for you. And I was like, oh, what's my birthday present? So you have to like order to find out what your birthday present is. So I have been wanting to try these glossy lip stains from e.l.f. So I got this one, which I used today. And it is in the shade Basic Beige. So this is the shade Basic Beige. And then I got Power Mauve and Pinkies Up. And then I've been wanting to try their liquid eyeshadows, so I picked up a few. I got the 24 karat gold, Copper Pop. I got the Ocean Eyes, Mermaid Shimmy. Those are all liquid glitter. The Purple Rain, which is also liquid glitter. And then I got liquid metallic eyeshadows in Aurora and Supernova. Alright, we're going to swatch these. That's the size of the component as compared to the box. We have Copper Pop. We have 24 karat gold. We have Ocean Eyes. We have Purple Rain. We have Supernova in the liquid metallic formula. Let's see if I can show you the metallic. Then we have Mermaid Shimmy. And in the metallic formula, we have Aurora. So those are all of the shades. I am excited to play with these. Alright, so If you like this kind of thing, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. We also do Wear Dress Wednesdays, we do Mask Mondays, and we do Get Ready With Me style videos on Fridays. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, do all of that fun stuff. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day, and I will see you all next time. Bye.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat.